Hey guys, today in this video I'll show you how you can delete duplicate contacts on Android. So keep watching till the very end and let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store app on your mobile device and make sure to sign into your Google account. After signing in, you will be redirected to the home page. Now search for Duplicate Contacts Remover. You can see that there are various apps present. Simply navigate to the top one and then install it onto your device. Once installed, open it up and it will look something like this. Here, tap on the Find Duplicate Contacts button at the bottom of your screen and allow all of the permissions. After that, all of the available duplicate contacts will appear in front of you. You can see that one is selected from a pair. If you are satisfied with the selection, simply tap on the Delete button at the top. So that's basically how you can delete duplicate contacts on Android. So that's all for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.